Fly Facts, written by Janice Marriott, illustrated by Andy Keylock.
What's this? It's got one pair of wings, huge eyes that look like sunglasses, and is covered in hair. It's a fly. Facts about flies. Flies live in your house, in the air outside, almost everywhere. A fly beats its wings 200 times a second. A fly can see you coming from any direction.
That fly must have eyes in the back of its head. I can see you all.
A fly can walk, fly through the air, and even land upside down. On its feet, it has tiny pads covered in sticky hairs. These help the fly to stick to anything. They also help germs to stick to the fly. Hairy feet help flies to stick. If the fly lands in a rubbish heap, bits of rubbish and germs stick to the fly's feet. Then, when the fly lands on something else, like your drink bottle, it will bring tiny bits of rubbish and invisible germs with it. These germs spread illnesses from one person to another. One fly can carry nearly 2 million germs.
That's 2 million on you and 2 million on me. That's a lot of germs.
What use are flies? Flies clean up rubbish by eating it. They are food for many animals, including fish, birds, frogs, lizards, and spiders. They visit flowers, spreading pollen to help more flowers to grow. The life of a fly. A fly can take just 10 days to grow from an egg to a fly. The mother fly lays about 120 eggs. 24 hours later, the eggs hatch as maggots. Maggots have no legs, so they use hooks in their mouths to move along. Maggots eat rotting or dead things. After 5 days, the maggot gets harder and darker and stops moving. It turns into a pupa. Inside the pupa, the maggot changes into a fly with wings. After another 4 days, the adult fly comes out of the pupa. Favorite food. Flies can fly up to 2 miles looking for rotting animals or plants. If it takes one fly 1 hour to fly 2 miles, how long does it take 2 flies to fly 2 miles? Answer: 1 hour, of course, unless they stop for food. Flies love to visit rubbish heaps, meat, or your lunch left on the table. Table manners. A fly spits on its food. This turns the food into a kind of soup. The fly then sucks up all the food. Flies and you. Don't let flies land on your food. They have very dirty feet. Cover up your lunch. Don't let flies land on a cut. Cover it up.